You're gonna kill yourself because you can't play trumpet anymore?
Yes.
Am I supposed to feel sorry for you? Play something else. Sing.
Maybe we haven't been introduced. My name is Chet Baker. I'm one of the greatest trumpet players of my generation. One of the best jazz improvisationalists.
So it's trumpet or nothing.
Yes.
So maybe I should kill myself too, because I don't look like Vivian Lee.
You should find one thing and be better at it than
You know, that's
anybody
easy for
else
you to say.
in the whole
The one blessed
world.
with a rare gift. Have some humility.
You're
There's
missing
love.
the point.
You ever been in love, Chet, huh?
I've been married twice.
Yeah, I played those women. I didn't feel real love.
You want to feel real love? You want to? One time.
No, I don't want to get high with you, Chet.
I was just kidding.